Welcome back. In this demo, we are going to learn about add instruction in Dockerfile, and the feature is fetch from URL, and URL we are going to use is GitHub Release URL. So let's understand that. So fetch from URL, right? So this feature allows us to add files from a remote location. So either it can be any zip file from a URL or like some git release like this. Okay, so in 06 Dockerfile add fetch from URL demo, right, you will have a docs folder and you will have index.html, git1 and git2.html. so this is a docs folder. So this docs folder we are going to copy to a new GitHub repository and create a simple v1.0.0 git release. So that's what we are going to do. So if you see the Docker file here from Nginx Alpine Slim and standard OCI labels, but you can see the add instruction here, https://github.com/ this is the complete release URL. So whatever is present inside that GitHub release URL, that will be copied to USR share Nginx HTML folder. And in this release URL, it is going to have git1.html, git2.html and index.html. Only those are going to be present. So we are going to test this fetch from URL for add instruction as part of this demo. I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.